Before a COVID vaccine became available, 4 out of 10 coronavirus casualties came from inside U.S. nursing homes. Since then, those numbers have dropped 70% as resident and staff vaccinations rose.
It's a huge priority for us. We support vaccination fully 100%, and we've worked diligently on that since this began.
Jennifer Agee's family owns about 40 nursing homes across the Southeast. At their Aspire Physical Recovery Center of West Alabama in Northport, nearly 80% of the residents are vaccinated. And Agee claims they've pulled out all the stops to convince employees to do the same.
We've offered financial incentives. We have started competitions between the facilities to see who can get the highest number, and we're doing drawings to give out to individual employees.
But despite those incentives, barely a fourth of their staff is vaccinated. Starting in May, all U.S. nursing homes were required to report their vaccination numbers. We reviewed figures for all 95 facilities in our viewing area. Aspire's staff vaccination number is at the bottom. Here at the Hanceville Nursing and Rehab Center, they have a different approach. Starting last year, they require all of their employees to get the shot. And as of last week, 97.5% of their staff was fully vaccinated. Why not 100%, you might ask? Because they're constantly hiring new team members.
It takes several weeks to get all my new staff vaccinated for COVID.
Their staff vaccination rate puts them at the top in the region and is earning them national recognition. Newsweek magazine recently named them the best nursing home in Alabama.
It's the right thing to do. Again, these people pay to be here. We get paid to take care of them. We shouldn't be bringing a disease in here that could harm them.
As for resident vaccinations, 100% at Hoover's Galleria Woods Skilled Nursing Facility have received the shot, while the most recent federal database shows less than half at Birmingham's Arlington Rehabilitation and Healthcare Center rolled up their sleeves. Arlington claims they strongly encourage their patients to receive the vaccine and that their report from Sunday puts their vaccination rate at 72%. Statewide, Alabama's nursing homes resident and staff vaccination numbers rank 37th and 39th in the U.S. respectively. John Matson with the Alabama Nursing Home Association believes their vaccine educational campaigns are working.
If they weren't effective, we would be, probably last in the country. But thankfully, we're ahead of 10 or 11 other states, depending on the week the data comes out.
Data, which shows staffs like Guthrie's are working hard to put last year's high nursing home death rate behind them.
That would be beyond horrible to lose that many patients. And we're just going to let that happen. And thank goodness we didn't.
Giving those patients and their families a pandemic peace of mind. Now, nursing homes are required to send their vaccination numbers to CMS every week. If they refuse, they could face fines starting at $1,000.
I'm sure a lot of people would be interested in this, John. Where can they go to look for their family's facility?
Well, actually, there is a complete breakdown for each facility on 2 federal databases. We will post a link to both on our website and, of course, the free WVTM 13 app.
John, thank you so much.